Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to apply Swarovski crystals, and plus I'm also going to show you 5 different designs. If you want to see how I did this, keep watching. So first off, I already prepped my nails prior to the video. As you can see here, my nails has grown out. It's been 2 weeks. And so I'm going to go in with Lush Nails Prep and Lush Nails Primer. And I am going to apply 2 coats of each of them on one nail, or each nails I should say. And I'm basically applying it on just the free growth area. Now I'm taking Lush Nails acrylic powder in clear and my number 8 German Kolinsky brush. I am going to apply a small bead by the cuticle area. When applying the small bead, I am also creating an apex also, and making sure that the nail looks good from all angles. So basically I am looking down the barrel, looking to see if my apex is nice and curved, and I'm also making sure that the cuticle, not the cuticle, but the bead isn't going into the cuticle area. Next, I am taking my Hansen Instant Dry Nail Polish in Rapid Red, and I am going to apply that on all of my nails. So I already buffed, shape, and file my nails off camera just to save time. So that's the reason why, as you can see here, I am skipping that step and going straight into the nail polish application. So if you apply nail polish and you actually get it on your skin, it's fine. You can also go in with a nail brush and with some acetone or nail polish, and you could clean it up with that little brush. And that's what I'm doing here, as you can see. So I am basically applying 2 coats on each nail. And this is how my nails look like after 2 coats. Now I'm going in with OPI Rapid Dry Top Coat, and I am going to apply it on all of my fingers. So you can use any color or any design that you want. I am just using a red polish as a base for the Swarovski crystals application that I'm going to show you. But you can use any color or any design that you choose to. So these are my Swarovski crystals that I have. I have them in all different colors and sizes and shapes. But I am going to just use the AB style today, and this is my brush on resin, and I am just using a dotting tool just to apply on the resin, and that is my wax pencil, and I am picking up some small little crystals and I am applying them close by the cuticle area. So this is the first design, and it's just a really simple design that you can just put it close by your cuticle area. So this one is really easy, and that's how it looks like. Next is the fading design that I call it. I call it the fade because you're basically creating a bunch of Swarovski crystals towards the cuticle area and you're fading it up towards the tip. So I am basically applying a big Swarovski crystal right in the middle with two medium size off to the left and right. Then I am filling it in with smaller sizes of Swarovski crystals. Then once I get that done, I am just going to dot the resin up towards the free edge, and I am just applying the smaller sizes of the Swarovski crystals going up. I'm actually not going to go all the way up. I'm just going to go like 3/4 up, if that makes sense. So that's the second design. The third design, I call it the W design or the M design. Basically, it's just a W figure or M figure depending on which angle you're looking from. But yes, I'm starting with one big crystals in the middle, then two off the side, and I'm basically gradually making it go up towards the free edge on both sides and in the middle. So basically it's going from a bigger Swarovski crystal to a smaller stone. So this is how it looks like. I'm also going to add two little Swarovski crystals right in the middle there just to fill that gap so it won't look so empty. And as you can see here, this is the third design. So the fourth design will be a swirl pattern, and basically I am using a big Swarovski crystal and a medium sized one and a smaller size. So basically I am alternating both, not both of them, but the three stones. I am using a big one, a medium, a smaller one. I'm just kind of switching up the crystals so they have different sizes going towards the top. I am also going to add 4 little small crystals by the middle area just to make the middle area more like focused, so it will be more focused in the middle. And I am just using these colors, which are the AB styles, but if you have any colors or any styles of crystals that you plan on using, you can use any type of colors or crystals that you want to use. I'm just using the AB style. Now for the pinky area, this is the design that is going to be a cross sign, and I am starting out with a big crystal right in the middle. Then I am basically gradually making it smaller as I go towards the tip, and on the side I am using smaller crystals since it doesn't have like a lot of room, so I'm just using smaller crystals. And right on tip there I'm also using smaller crystals also. So this is the cross design on the pinky. So let me know on the comments below which one is your favorite style, and yeah, if you have any questions or comments, then leave them down in the comments below. And don't forget that I always list all my products in the description box. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.